Hey guys, I'm just making a video here to maybe solve a few of your guys' issues. If you guys have ever exported a game into Unity from a different version, for example, I'm running Unity 0.6 here, or sorry, 0.0, and as you can see, it gets these random stutters where it drops to legit 7 frames. And I was like, what's going on here? Because if you look at the profiler, if you have a look at the profiler, I'll just run it for a bit. So we're in the profiler here. I clicked on one of the stutters that occurs. You can see it's quite a few, and it's always like on the CPU side. And then if you go to CPU view the module, you can see that there's this big thread here. That's the editor loop. So I was like, what's going on here? So then, with a bit of research on Reddit, I managed to find this comment. Go to project settings, player configurations, use incremental GC. So let's search that up. Scroll down a bit, and then we're looking for incremental GC. And this is in the project settings. If you take this on, as the comment on Reddit says, this will then enable it to spread out the memory throughout the frames instead of it being on all one frame. Because that's what's causing issues, the garbage collection all being on one single frame. So I've ticked that on now. So let's give it another go here and see if anything happens when we press play. Gets off screen. So as you can see, if you look bottom or top right there, you can see my frames are a bit more healthy. And as the game gets busier, you can see that the performance doesn't get any lower or anything. I can even pick up this and then shoot at the zombies, and as you can see, all steady. Because before it was so bad that I literally was so demotivated to work on this project because I thought I had done something wrong in the code. I thought I was gonna have to go through all the code and refactor it, but it wasn't me. It was actually the Unity editor. So that's basically all you have to do, and hopefully that should solve your problem. Just turn on that setting. It should spread out the garbage collection, which will make it easier for the whole system to work, and your editor won't be as heavy on that one single frame. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope I helped out somebody. And shout out that guy on Reddit.